Alright, so this might be a little overkill. Right here, these little bumpers here. And I've got them just where I want them, so if the bike, God forbid, ever goes over and starts to head towards the side of the bike, and I don't want to go ahead and destroy this chrome or none of that stuff. I don't intend to drop a bike. I never have. I've been riding for over 40 years, but especially with my condition, when I go back, I'm not going to be the strongest, even though I'll get as strong as I can. I just don't want to lose the bike and have it go over and make a bunch of messes. So this is just pressed on right now. I have the exact position I want it. This is this side, and that side right there. Again, it's just pressed into place. So it'll look nicer, pulled in tight and all that stuff, using the brackets that go in the back. And the brackets are right here. This is the inside. There's a couple strips of 3M. That's the part that will actually show on the back side, along with some stainless steel screws, and of course I'll use some Loctite. But to get in here, I'm going to go ahead and pull the bag just so it's out of the way, and give me plenty of room to get in there and get with the screws. I don't need to be scratching anything, so I'll take my time, especially with the condition I'm in, and I'll take the bag off and open that up, and I'll take you guys through it. Alright, so going into the bag here, of course I've got this neat little pouch here that actually it's made for this, so I'll go ahead and lift that out. And then I don't have 3 bolts. I have a video that showed that I actually have threaded knobs to make taking these on and off a heck of a lot easier. So let me go ahead and get the bag out of the way. Again, that makes that so much easier. And then there's the 3 knobs. These are 2 shorter ones, and this one here is longer. So let me go ahead and get those out. Okay, so these are the 3 knobs here. Again, it's nice and easy. And then I can just go ahead and lift this bag out and place it over there on the towel. Of course, what I did when I first bought this bike is I took these rubber inserts out, soaked them with 303 so they'll stay soft, supple, and looking like new forever. And of course I did add these rails a long time ago. So anyway, that's it, and now I can go ahead and take that plate and actually stick it to the bottom here and get these threaded in. Once this pulls in nice and tight, it's going to look nice and finished. So let me go ahead and get one of the plates and stick that on and see how that works out. Okay, so that's how it ends up coming out. Take your time, keep going around these, kind of like you're putting lugs on a tire. Bring them all down to the same level. The Loctite will help hold them in place so they don't vibrate loose. And now I've got a nice little bumper just in case. Okay, you can see if for some reason the bike went over completely on its side, that would take the brunt of it and help protect my bags and all that stuff. And that's what she ends up looking like when you're all done. Again, take your time, make sure it's all snug down, use some Loctite. You don't want that coming loose. And of course the knobs I have in the back of the bag makes it a lot easier. So that's it. I don't think that looks bad at all, especially since there is other black and plastic bits on the bike. It's all about safety. Another mod I'm going to be doing is to the taillight section, a safety flasher, but I have to go ahead and get that module in. Amazon is dragging its butt for some reason. But that's it. Let me go ahead and get the other side. The neat thing about these lifts, once the bike is up, you can roll them around, push it back and forth to make room. I'm trying to do all this in the single car garage. Usually I put it over in the double car, but my shoulders aren't strong enough to go ahead and move the bike yet. So it was better just to get it on this and use the lift. But that's this one here all set up. I just had to get the bag on. And you can see some of the areas in here where I've covered up bolts and all that stuff. I just like a nice finished look. Right, that's the one on this side. Like I said, it actually fits pretty nice and snug. It gives me a little extra protection. And it still goes with the color scheme and stuff on the rest of the bike. Anyway, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. I'll go ahead and get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching.